Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to train your dog in Heartopia. First, just go near to your dog like this, and then next just tap on the paw icon, this one, and then next just tap on train, and then just choose the actions that you want to train. In here, I want to choose the stick tracer like this, and then next just tap on start training. And then after that, the training sessions will begin, and there will be several rounds. And your job is to observe your dog's movement carefully. You will need to decide whether your dog is performing the correct actions or not. If the correct, just tap on checklist. If not correct, just tap on the cross signs. Like this. Keep repeating until the process is done like this. And then next just tap on confirm. Like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can train your dog in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.